Okay, so it's August 2026 and today we are going to look at a feature that might be coming to Windows 11 in the near future. And that feature has been put on some people's computers who are on the Insider Preview program. It's on mine and it's basically customization of the context menu. That's the right click menu. Now, I know the excellent Nearsoft have brought out Shell X View, brought it out years ago. That does a fantastic job, although I have found that it won't actually customize everything on the right click menu. For instance, like the app extensions, it won't customize those on my Windows 11 system, certainly, but Microsoft are going to build this into their right click menu to enable you to customize it. Now, it could be that you've got certain apps or certain features that you never use. I know in the past I've had often extensions which have slowed down or quite drastically the right click menu from coming up, certainly when you've got too many apps shown in there or functions in there. Okay, so how do we customize the menu? Well, there's two ways. You can either just right click on a file and this customized menu will come up, or you can go into the personalize menu. So click on the start button, click on settings, and then over there on the left, click on personalization. And one of the options there is context menu. Now, as I say, only a certain number of people have this. So if you haven't got it right now, it's hopefully something that will be coming to you in the near future. But let's just go through it. So we've got the send to option there. Now, at the moment, if we go into, say, a file, we haven't got send to shown on the menu. If I turn that on and go back into that file and right click, there we go. We've got send to, where we can send it to Bluetooth, compressed zip folder, desktop, documents, or mail recipient. So I'm going to turn that back off again. We've got print. So if we turn that on, if we right click, there we go. You can print that file or picture, whatever it is you're trying to print. If we go back, create shortcut, when we right click now, we have got create shortcut. So you can create a shortcut to the file that you've right clicked on. Copy as path, that's switched on at the moment. And if I right click there we go. We've got copy as path. If I want to turn that off to get rid of it, just done that, right click on it again. As you can see, copy as path has gone. Rotate image. So if you right click on an image with that switched on, you've got the option to rotate right or rotate left without actually going into the image whatsoever. App extensions. Now, this is when I right click on a file, this is the app extensions here, and you can turn these on or off. So let's just whack them all on and see what comes up. If I right click, there you go, app extensions. And in actual fact, manage extensions has come on, but the extensions have disappeared. So that's a glitch in there at the moment, but I can turn off the app extensions submenu altogether if I wanted to. And there you go, as you can see, it's gone. So that's obviously something Microsoft has got to sort out, is this app extensions menu, because at the moment, as I say, it's not working properly, but I'm using an Insider Preview version of Windows, which means to expect some problems. And here I've got Edit in Notepad, Edit with Paint, and Edit with Photos, and all of those are actually switched off, but they're displaying them anyway. So we've got there arrange primary actions in line. So if I turn that on and then right click, that shows the cut, copy, rename, share, delete, paste, etc. in this inline menu here. If I turn it off, and let's just go back to that again, as you can see, they come up along the top with it turned off as icons. Show more options, show the legacy context menu. Well, if I right click on this, as you can see, show more options isn't there. But if I turn that on and then right click again, as you can see, show more options is there. I can click on it and it gets you the old legacy Windows 10 menu. Now, move properties to the bottom of the context menu. So at the moment on mine, properties is up there. But if we turn move properties to the bottom of the context menu, then I can right click that And as you can see, properties has moved to the bottom just above all of the cut, copy, rename, share and delete icons. So as I say, this hasn't been pushed out to everyone yet. It is in its infancy, so there could be more things added to this. There could be things taken away. But I think between this and Shell X-View, I think between the two of them, you should find that the right-click context menu is pretty well customizable now. So let us know your thoughts in the comments down below. And if you like this video, then please don't forget to hit that like button. Also, if you haven't done so already, please make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you find out about all my latest videos the second they're released. Also, if you think your friends, your family or your work colleagues might be interested in this video, then don't forget to share it on all your social media timelines. Thanks very much for watching and speak to you again soon.